ओम चैतन्यं सर्वगं सर्वं सर्वभूतगुहाशयं यत्सर्वविषयातीतं तस्मै सर्वविदे नमः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। We have seen 17 chapters of Upadesha Sahasri. Now we are going to begin with the 18th chapter called Tattvamasi Prakaranam. Tattvamasi, as the name suggests, it is Mahavakya Viveka Prakaranam, where Mahavakya will be explained. But those who have studied texts like Vakya Vritti, Vedanta Sara, or Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha, in those texts, Tattvamasi Mahavakya is explained in a particular way. But in this chapter, it is explained totally differently. Tattvamasi Prakarana here is very different. It is unlike how it is explained in Vedanta Sara, Vakya Vritti, etc. And so it becomes unique. And many ideas of Naishkarmya Siddhi are taken from this chapter. Therefore also, it is important and beautiful to study. With that much introduction, let us see the Tika on page number 245. पूर्वस्मिन् प्रकरणे ब्रह्मात्म विषयम् अपरोक्ष ज्ञानम् मोक्ष साधनम् वेदांतेभ्यो भवति इति उक्तम्. Tad ayuktam. Purvapakshi will say that is not correct. What is not correct? That in the previous chapter, Purvasmin Prakarane, you said Brahmatma Vishayam Aparoksha Jnanam is Moksha Sadhanam. Brahmatma Vishayam Aparoksha Jnanam. Brahmatma Vishayo Yasya Jnanasya Tad Jnanam Brahmatma Vishayam. Tad Aparoksha Jnanam Brahmatma Vishayam. Aparoksha Jnana whose Vishaya is Brahmatma Aikya. That Aparoksha Jnanam is Moksha Sadhanam. This was said in 17th chapter. And how this Jnanam will happen? Vedantebhyo bhavati. Vedantebhyaha. Bahuvachanam is used. Means through Upanishad. Iti uktam. Siddhantina tadayuktam. That is not true. Why? Vedantanam api swarga kamadi vakyavat paroksha jnana janakatvat. Vedanta vakyanam api swarga kamadi vakyavat paroksha jnana janakatvat. So Purva Pakshi does Anumanam. Vedanta Vakya in Bahuvachanam, Vedanta Vakyani is the Paksha. They are Paroksha Jnana Janakani. Vedanta Vakyani, Paroksha Jnana Janakani. They are the Paroksha Jnana Janaka Vakya. Why? What is the Hetu? Veda Vakyatvat. That you have to give. Because it is a Veda Vakya. Drishtanta Swarga Kamadi Vakyavat. So Anumanam is there. Vedanta Vakyani. Paksha. Sadhya is Paroksha Jnana Janakani. Hetu will be Veda Vakyatvat. Swarga Kamadi Vakyavat will be the Drishtanta. Is this Anumanam Sad Hetu Anumanam, Sad Anumanam or Asad Anumanam? How will we check? You have to see what is the Vyapti in this. According to Purva Paksha, what is the Vyapti? Yatra Yatra
Yatra yatra Vedanta Vakyam tatra paro.
Yatra yatra Vedanta Vakyatvam tatra tatra Paroksha Jnana Janakatvam.
Not Vedanta, Veda.
Veda Vakyam.
Yatra Yatra Veda Vakyatvam Tatra Tatra Paroksha Jnana Janakatvam. So in this Vyapti, Swarga Vakya, Swarga Prapti Vakya, Swarga Kamadi Vakya. Swarga Kamadi Vakya, they are Veda Vakya. And they are Paroksha Jnana Janaka because you will have only Paroksha Jnanam of Swarga. You will know the ritual, etc. Then you have to wait. Then when your number comes, you will get it. Number comes when your punya becomes ready. So he says Vedanta Vakyani also Paroksha Jnana Janakani. They are also Veda Vakya. So in this Anumanam, he says, therefore, Aparoksha Jnanaya, Vedanta Vakya will produce only Paroksha Jnanam, not Aparoksha. Therefore, for Aparoksha Jnanam, what one should do? Prasankhyanam eva eshtavyam iti. Kechit pratipedire. Prasankhyanam eshtavyam. You have to do Prasankhyanam. So, the biggest opponent in this chapter will be Prasankhyanam Vadi. This Bhagwan Bhashyakar doesn't discuss in many places. Very little in Brahadaranyaka and mostly in this chapter. Prasankhyanavada. Prasankhyanam eshtavyam. What is Prasankhyanam? We will see when it comes. Prasankhyanam, in brief, it is some upasana related to Mahavakya, which will convert Paroksha Jnanam into Aparoksha Jnanam. This is Purva Paksha's point. In this Anumanam, there is Upadhi. In Purva Paksha's Anumanam, when you see and it looks good, there is upadhi. What is the upadhi? Swarga, all Veda Vakyas are not Paroksha Jnana Janakam, according to Siddhanti. Swarga Kamadi Vakya can be Paroksha Jnana Janaka. In other words, those Vakyas whose Vishaya is Paroksha Vastu, those Vakyas will be Paroksha Jnana Janaka. So, Paroksha Vishaya Vakyatvam is Upadhi. Yatra Yatra Sadhyam Tatra Tatra Upadhi. Now, those who have studied Tarka Sangraha properly, then they will know what is the definition of Upadhi.
साध्य व्यापकत्वे सति साधना व्यापक
साध्य व्यापकत्वे सति साधना व्यापकत्वम. साध्य is परोक्ष ज्ञान जनकत्वम, right? परोक्ष ज्ञान जनकत्वम. So यत्र यत्र परोक्ष ज्ञान जनकत्वम तत्र तत्र परोक्ष विषयक वाक्यत्वम. Siddhanti will say, if it is Paroksha Jnana Janaka, its Vishaya itself is Paroksha. Paroksha Vishaya Vakya will be Paroksha Jnana Janaka. So Sadhya Vyapakatvam is there, and Sadhana Avyapakatvam. Sadhana means Veda Vakyatvam. Veda Vakyatvam, all Veda Vakyas, they are not talking about Paroksha Vastu. So, in Paksha, in Vedanta Vakya, we can show that Sadhana Avyapakatvam. All Veda Vakyas are not Yatra Yatra Veda Vakyatvam Tatra Tatra Paroksha Vishayaka Vakyatvam is not true. Because Veda Vakyas also talk about Atma. Atma is not Paroksha Vastu. If Atma was Paroksha Vastu, its Aparoksha Jnanam would never happen, even if you do Prasankhyanam. And Atma is Aparoksha because Yat Sakshat Aparokshat Brahma. There is Upanishad Vakya. Therefore, in Purvapakshi's Anumanam, there is Upadhi. Sopadik Anumanam, Sopadik Hetu will become Asad Hetu. So, Aparoksha Jnanaya Prasankhyanam Eshtavyam iti kechit pratipedire. Everybody understood this much?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Pratipedire. Pedire Padgatau Dhatu. Lit Pratham Purush Bahuvachanam. Pede, Pedate, Pedire. Pratipedire means they do such pratipadanam. And therefore they expect prasankhyanam. Tanmata nirakaranena purvoktam sarvam swasiddhantam shrautam upapattitaha sphutam upapadaitum prakaranantaram arabhamano. Let us see up to this. Tanmata nirakaranena. So that mata nirakaranam will be done now. Bhagavan Bhashyakar kept this matam all the way until the end. Tanmata nirakaranena purvoktam sarvam swasiddhantam. Whatever that Vedanta Siddhanta has been said so far in 17 chapters, 1 to 17, all of them, is all Shrautam, is all Shrutya Kathitam, Shrautam. Upapattitah sphutam upapadaitum. Upapatti means yukti. So in this chapter, there is going to be a lot of yukti. Upapattitah sphutam upapadaitum. Because in the earlier chapters, Shruti has been already quoted. Here it is going to be through upapatti. Upapattitah sphutam upapadaitum. Prakaranantaram arabhamanah. Prakaranantaram arabhamanah kaha?
भाष्यकारः
Ashyakara. The one who arabhamana is Shanach Pratyaya. Kartari. The one who has this desire to start another chapter, or who is starting the next chapter, Prakaranantaram, Anyat Prakaranam, Prakaranantaram, Arabhamana. Devata Namaskar Vyajena, Antakarana Vritti Bhava Abhava Sakshinam, Kutastha Chidekatanam, Eva Atmanam, Nitya Aparoksham Vedantaha Brahma, Iti Pratipadayanto, न परोक्षम ब्रह्म समर्पयन्ति इति सूचयन् प्रकरण प्रतिपाद्यम दर्शयति. What does Bhashyakara do? Devata Namaskar Vyajena. He is doing Namaskar to Devata. Devata Namaskar Vyajena. Antakarana Vritti Bhava and Abhava Sakshinam. Antakarana Vrittinam Bhavanam Abhavanam cha Sakshinam. Antakarana Vritti Bhava Bhava. So that Sakshi who illumines the presence and absence of Antakarana Vritti. Kutastha Chidekatanam. Ekatanam Ekarasam. Kutastham Ekarasam. Tanu Vistare Dhatu. That which is Samanam, Samarasam, Ekarasam. And Kutastham, Chaitanya Rupa. Kutastha Chit. Ekatanam. Eva Atmanam. Nitya Aparoksham. That Atma which is Nitya Aparoksham. As I gave you the Shruti, in Brahadaranyaka it is said, Atma is Sakshad Aparoksha. Vedantaha Brahma iti Pratipadayantaha. What do Vedanta say? Vedanta do Nitya Aparoksha Brahma Pratipadanam. Pratipadayantaha Karta is Vedanta. Na Paroksham Brahma Samarpayanti. Karma Karta for Samarpayanti is Vedanta. Vedantaha na Paroksham Brahma Samarpayanti. They don't reveal Paroksha Brahma. Vedanta reveals Aparoksha Brahma. If I understand it as Paroksha, there is something wrong with me. My buddhi. I have to fix that part. There is no problem outside. Because Aparoksha Vastu, if I understand as Paroksha, obviously there is no, the Vastu doesn't become Paroksha. I have understood Aparoksha Vastu as Paroksha. Nitya Aparoksham Vedantaha Brahma iti Pratipadayanto na Paroksham Brahma Samarpayanti. इति सूचयन् प्रकरण प्रतिपाद्यं दर्शयति. प्रकरण प्रतिपाद्यं means vishayam. Prakana Pratipadya Vishaya, what is the subject matter of this Prakarana? That Darshayati Bhagwan Bhashyakara. How? Devata Namaskar Vyajena. Vyajena means? Vyajena means Nimittena. Devata Namaskara is taken as Nimitta for Prakarana Pratipadya Vishaya. So when we do this chapter, we are going to do this Mangalacharanam now. Okay? For 18th chapter, there is special Mangalacharanam. We will not do the general Mangalacharanam for the Upadesha Sahasri which is there. Yenatmana viliyante udbhavanti cha vrittayah nityavagataye tasmai namodhi pratyayatmane. Yenatmana viliyante udbhavanti cha vrittayah ityavagataye tasmai namodhi pratyayatmane. Anvay is very simple. Yena atmana vrittayah udbhavanti cha viliyante. Cha means
Sthiti.
udbhavanti sthasyanti viliyante. Tasmai nityavagataye dhi pratyayatmane namaha. Tasmai namaha. So that Atma, because of which the vrittis have utpatti sthiti laya. To that Atma, Tasmai, which is Nitya Avagati Rupa. Avagati means Jnanam. Nitya Avagati means Nitya Upalabdhi Swarupa, Anubhava Swarupa. And Dhi Pratyayatmane. Dhi means Jnanam. Pratyayatmane, another Pathantar is there, Pratyagatmane also. Pratyayatmane, Pratyaya means Vrittis. So the one who is the Jnana Swarupa. Or Pratyagatmane is also good, that which is Jnana Swarupa Pratyagatma. Tasmai Namaha. So which Devata Namaskara is done? Atma Devata only. There is no other Devata. No Nama Rupatmaka Devata Namaskara. Atma Namaskara itself. And through that what is revealed? Utassa Sakshi, who is the Sakshi of Vritti Udaya means Bhava. Vritti Vilaya means Abhava. Antakarna Vritti Bhava Abhava Sakshi. So Vrittis come and go, I stay. Tasmai Dhi Pratyatmane Namaha. That Atma is this Namaskara. To Namaskara to Atma means I am Atma. This Tasya Smritis Tatra Dridhaiva Nishtha. Remembering that I am Atma. I am Brahma. This is namaskara. Otherwise, there is no namaskara. For Vedantin, this is the namaskara. Paramatma is not outside. Paramatma is not inside. Paramatma is me. How many types of Mangalacharanam are there? 3 types. One is
वस्तु
Namaskara.
निर्देशात्मक मंगलाचरण
Vastu Nirdesha. Then
Stuti and Namaskara.
अनुबंध चतुष्टय
Vastu Nirdeshatmaka, Namaskaratmaka, second. And third, Ashirvadatmaka. Ashirvada means through Mangalacharanam, the Mangalacharanakara gives blessings, invokes blessings. So this is Vastu Nirdeshatmaka, and Namaskara is also there. So Nitya Upalabdhi Swarupa and Pratyagatma Rupa is me, who is the Sakshi of Vritti Bhava Abhava, Antakarana Vritti Bhava Bhava, Sitika. Vrittayo Dhi Parinamaha. Vritti means Buddhi Parinama. How? Alata Chakram Iva Ajñatmana Yena Chaitanya Jyotihi Swarupena Viliyante Sushuptau Avasthantare Udbhavanti Cha. Like Alata Chakram, Mandukya Chaturtha Adhyaya. Alata Chakram Iva Ajñatmana. So that one Agni alone is appearing. Like that, this Atma Tattva is Chaitanya, Agni Swarupa, Jyotish Swarupa. Yena Chaitanya Jyotish Swarupena Viliyante, Vrittayo Viliyante, Sushuptau, Avasthantare Udbhavanti Cha. In another avastha, they arise. Chidatma Vyapta Ityartha. Avasthantar means
अन्यद अवस्था जागृत और स्वप्न
Jagrat Swapna. Chidatma Vyapta. They are Chidatma Vyapta. Dhi Pratyaha Sabhasa Buddhi Vrittayaha. Dhi Vrittayaha, Dhi Pratyaya means Sabhasa Buddhi Vritti. Tesham Atmane. Dhi Pratyatmane. Tesham Atmane means Dhi Pratyatmane. Dhi Pratyatmane means the one which is the Swarupa of this Buddhi Pratyaya. It is Sat, the existence. Sat Pratyaya Kinnu Vihaya Santam. Santam Vihaya Kinnu Sat Pratyaya. Atmanam Vihaya Kinnu Dhi Pratyaya. Other than Atma, where is Buddhi Pratyaya? and its namaskara means its smaranam is Atmanishtha. Tad adhyasa adhishthanaya ityartha. The pratyatmane means the one who is the adhishthanam of the adhyasa of the buddhi vritti. Tad adhyasa adhishthanaya ityartha. Nityascha avagatischa iti nityavagati. Tasmai nityavagataye iti vigraha. Avagati means jnanam, that which is nitya jnana swarupa. Okay. So, first shloka is this. Second shloka. Idanim swokte arthe mumukshunam vishwasartham swacharya gunopavarnana purvakam sampradaya shuddhim kathayati. Now, idanim swaukte arthe. Swaukta what Bhashyakara has given, that he said in this 17th chapter, etc. Swaukta arthe, mumukshu should have vishwasa in that. Mumukshunam vishwasartham. They should have faith that what Bhashyakara is saying is true. So somebody says, he just says on his own. What is the pramana? So Acharya says, my Parama Guru is pramanam. Swa Acharya Gunopavarnana Purvakam Sampradaya Shuddhim Kathayati. Swa Acharya Swasya Acharyasya or Bahuvachanam Swasya Acharyanam Gunanam Upavarnana Purvakam. Gunanam Upavarnanam Purvam. Yasmin. Tad Swa Acharya Gunopavarnana Purvakam Kathanam. And by this, what he is doing? Sampradaya Shuddhim Kathayati. Swa Acharya means Gaudapada ji now here. Gaudapada ji's Guna Upavarnanam Purvaka. By describing his greatness, Sampradaya Shuddhi he is talking about, that whatever I am teaching, Sampradiyate iti Sampradaya, means the Jnana, what has been passed on from Guru to Shishya. He says this Jnanam is Shuddham. So it is not having my personal raga, dvesha, etc. Whatever my Acharya's Acharya, who has done tapas and pleased Bhagavan Narayana, that Jnanam Sampradaya Purvakam is available. That is being taught. Pramatya Vajropamayukti Samvritaihi Shruteraratin Shatasho Vachosibihi Raksha Vedarthanidhim Vishaladhir Namo Yatindraya Guror Gariyase. Pramatya Vajropamayukti Samvritaihi Shruteraratin Shatasho Vachosibihi Raraksha Vedarthanidhim Vishaladhir Namo Yatindraya Guror Gariyase. Yaha Vishaladhir. वज्रोपमयुक्ति संवृतैः शतशो वचोसिभिः श्रुतेः अरातीन् प्रमथ्य वेदार्थनिधिं ररक्ष तस्मै यतीन्द्राय गुरोः गरीयसे नमः। इसलिए अन्वय। सो यह ररक्ष तस्मै नमः, the one who did raksha. Raksha of what? Of Vedartha Nidhim, the essence of the Veda, seek the treasure of the Veda, Vedartha Nidhim, who protected. Protected against who? Shrutehe Aratin. Aratin means Shatru, those who are the enemies of Vedas. Shruti. Shruter Aratin. Pramathya. How did he protect? By doing pramathanam, by destroying them. Pramathya. And how did he do pramathanam of Shatrus? Vajropama yukti samvritaihi shatashaha vachosivihi. Vajra upama yukti samvritaihi. Vajra is the upama of the yukti. Vajra eva upama. Kasya युक्तेः सा युक्तिः वज्रोपम युक्तिः तत्संवृतैः, so that yukti samvrita, filled with yukti. Shatasho vacho asibhi. Shatashaha, hundreds of. Vak rupi asi. Asi means sword. You have to put khandakara. Vacho asibhi. So by the hundreds of vakyas, means Mandukya Karika, they are like yukti. See, in particular, second, third, fourth chapter, Agama chapter is first. After that is only yukti. They are like Vajra. Vajra upama yukti samvritai. With the hundreds of sword-like statements, he protected Vedartha Nidhi. Vedartha Nidhim Raraksha. He was Vishaladhihi, Vishala Buddhi. So normally we use this Vishala, Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe. But here it is not for Bhagavan Ved Vyasji, here it is for Gaudapadacharya. Tasmai Yatindraya Guror Gariyase, the one who is Guru's Guru, means Paramaguru. Guror Gariyase, Yatindraya. Yatindra, Yatindra means the one who is
Yatinam. Yatinam.
Yatindra. Yatindra. The one who is best among all the yati means sannyasi. Gari shabda, the gariyas shabda, guru, and then yasun pratyaya is there. And guru will get gar adesha.
Guroscha hala.
Gurusha. So, gariyas, yasun pratyaya on Guru Shabda, it will become Gariyas. Gariyas means Sreshta. Gurur Gariyase. Parama Gurave Namaha. Sitika. Sambrutaihi. Abhedyataya Ghatitaihi. Sambrata means that which is Ghatita, Ghataka of that, Abhedyataya. You cannot separate them. Means in all Vakyas, yuktis are there. Mandukya Karikas are filled with lot of yuktis. Shrutehe vachaso bihi. Vacha asibihi. Vachao sibihi. Vedanta Vakya Rupa Nisranshaihi. Nisrinshaihi. Nisrimsha means khadga, sword. Vedanta Vakya Rupa Nisrimshaihi. Khadgai. By the sword of Vedanta Vakya, Aratin. Bheda Tattva Aranya Vasino Advaita Ratna Apaharinaha. Aratin means Bheda Tattvaranya Vasinaha. Those whose intention is to show Bheda. And they are Advaita Ratna. These are those people who live in the forest. They do the stealing job. What kind? Advaita Ratna Apaharinaha. They want to steal the Advaita Jnana. Shatrun Pramathya Samulam Unmulya Yo Vishaladhihi Apratihata Dhir Apratihata Dirgha Buddhi Buddhihi Vedantartha Nidhim. So, Shatrun Pramathya means Samulam Unmulya, uprooting them. Yo Vishaladhihi, the one who has this Vishala Buddhi. Because of Bhagavan's grace. Apratihata Dirgha Buddhihi, the one whose Vishala Buddhi, Jnanam, was apratihata, unobstructed by any Purvapaksha. Vedantartha Nidhim. Vedanta Artha Nidhim. Vedanta Manjusha Gatam Nidhim. Shloka says Vedartha Nidhim. Tikakar says Vedanta Artha Nidhim. Manjusha means a basket. In the Vedanta basket, whatever is kept, treasure, somebody wanted to steal. Nidhim, nidhiyate asmin sarvam iti nidhihi. That in which everything is kept. What is kept? Advayam Brahmatma Tattvam. That itself is nidhi, in which everything is kept. Or Shastra is the nidhi in which Brahmatma Tattva, Shastra is the basket in which Vedanta Tattva, Brahmatma Tattva is nidhi. Tamra Raksha, that he protected. Tasmai Yatindraya Guror Gariyase Paramagurave Nama iti yojana. To that Yatindra Guru, Paramaguru, to him are these salutations. Namaha iti yojana. So in next session, these two Mangalacharanam we will do. Om, next session onwards. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.